Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching my zone. And if you're new to my channel and if you like this video, do not forget to give a thumb, share and subscribe to my channel. So in my previous video about unboxing Brustro A5 sketchbook, quite a few people have commented, can we use watercolor on these pages? I was not sure about this, so I thought of giving it a try. Even if you see my sketchbook, those are all filled with pencil sketch or color pencil sketch. I don't have a single watercolor painting on this. So yeah, you can even consider this video as a live demo. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, so I will be using artist watercolor from Camel and number 6 and number 2 brush. So let's get started. Make sure not to take bucket full of water because obviously no paper can stand that much of water. So yeah, take less water in your brush. So as you can see, the paper is absolutely fine from backwards. And now you can see the back side of the paper is absolutely fine. So here's the complete painting, and if you turn the page, you can see the paper is absolutely fine. So to the question, can we use watercolor on these pages? My answer is yes, you can. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Take care.